Let's find the points on the curve x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0, where the tangent line is horizontal. Let's break this down step by step. First, let's visualize what we're looking for. A horizontal tangent line means the slope at that point is 0. We need to find these points where the curve has a horizontal tangent. To find these points, we'll need to use implicit differentiation. When we differentiate both sides with respect to x, we get 2x plus 2 y dy dx minus 2 equals 0. Since we're looking for horizontal tangents, the slope dy dx must equal 0 at these points. Let's substitute dy dx equals 0 into our equation. This simplifies to 2x minus 2 equals 0. Solving for x, we get x equals 1. Now that we know x equals 1, let's substitute this back into our original equation to find y. We get 1 squared plus y squared minus 2 times 1 minus 3 equals 0. This simplifies to y squared plus negative 4 equals 0, or y squared equals 4. Taking the square root of both sides, we get y equals plus or minus 2. Therefore, the points where the tangent line is horizontal are the point 1, 2 and the point 1, negative 2. Let's verify our answer on the graph. As we can see, at these 2 points shown in red, the tangent lines are indeed horizontal, shown in yellow. These are the only points on the curve where the slope equals 0,